Today we're at Norris Elementary School, home of the Squires, and we're here to... Once again, we're at Norris Elementary School, working with some 6th grade students, and our final activity with pentominoes today. So you've got one game board between the two of you. What do you notice about the game board, as far as pieces or shape or anything like that?
They're all squares.
They're all squares.
And all of these can fit on there, I believe.
Right, those pieces will fit on there.
It's 8 by 8.
It's 8 by 8, so it's a lot of little squares making one big square. If it's an 8 by 8, how many pieces are there?
64.
So it's 64, right? That's the total area, right? If we said it was a square inch for each one of these, it would be 64 square inches, right? Here's one. We'll just throw this in as a bonus question for you today. Now you just figured out it's an 8 by 8. What's the perimeter of this game board? If it's 8 by 8, what's the perimeter?
32.
32, right? You just add up all the sides going around. All right, that was just an added throw-in right there. All right, you guys ready? Yeah. All right, here's what we're going to do. You have a set of pentominoes between the two of you. All right, you are going to set any pentomino you want anywhere on the paper. Your goal is to block the other person from setting one down. Okay, so if you put one and you do this, all right, you obviously can take a pentomino and put it anywhere you like, all right? So you want to be the person to block his move, right? If he can't go, you win. You get it? Mm-hmm. All right, now you place them anywhere you want, whatever ones you want. If she can't go, you win. You guys ready? All right, so the person sitting on the left of the game board will go first. Let the games begin. Go. So we got a winner here. Who won there? You did? You did? Okay, clear the board. Now we're going to do this. This is going to be different. You're going to need your pencil. Okay, each person is going to need a pencil. What you're going to do is you're going to take the numbers 1 through 16, all right? And you're going to write them anywhere you want, okay? Like if you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, wherever you want, write 1 through 16, all right? Go. One person start. So you write 1 through 16 quickly, any squares you want. They don't have to be in any order. You just randomly put 1 through 16. Spread them out. Now, you girls have 1 through 16 all written down? Okay, do it again. Once you get 1 through 16 finished, write them down again, someplace different. 1 through 16 again. Here's what you're going to do now. Now, you may take any piece you want, but instead of worrying about blocking the other person, wherever you put your piece, whatever numbers they cover up, that's your score. Get it? So if I have this piece and I go like this, that's covering up a lot of numbers, isn't it? And they're all pretty high numbers. If I went like this, I could do that, but now I've only got a 3 and a 4. I would only get 7 points for putting it there. Otherwise, if I did that, I would get a lot more points, right? So after you put your piece down, take it away, count up the number of points, write it on your paper. Whoever has the most points at the end is what?
Winner.
The winner. You guys ready? You can't use this one first, though. Whoever goes first. The person on the right goes first this time. Okay? Go! How could you make this game more difficult or easier?
You could put more numbers.
You could put what?
Put more numbers.
Right, we could put more numbers because if there's 64, we've only used 32 of the spaces right now, right? So you could do 1 through 16 again and then do it again. So every square has a number on it, 1 through 16. So you would be writing down every one of those 4 times. So then you would then have to think about, all right, we don't have any empty spots to worry about. How could I get the most points and block the opponent also at the same time? So that's yours now. So it looks like you've got a 13, an 11, and a 12. That's a nice one to put right there, huh? All right. You guys all have the hang of this one? All right, keep going for a few more minutes. Those are the 6th grade students at Norris Elementary working with the pentominoes and a few strategies to add and block. Beautifully made. A perfect fit?
Yep.
All right. Specially designed just for you. Oh, that was weak.